Arnab Goswami on The Debate at 10. Presented by Reliance Jio. Powered by RP Sanjeev Goenka Group and Kentaro. In style partner Raymond.
Ladies and gentlemen, when India has broken the backbone of Pakistani-backed terrorists of the Hizbul Mujahideen, a handful of Western media groups, along with their compatriots in India, are glamorizing Riaz Naiku. They are portraying a larger-than-life image of him by calling him a mathematical genius and whatnot. Watch as we reveal who these people are tonight, and then we debate.
These were the scenes at the encounter site right after most wanted terrorist and Hizbul operational commander Riaz Naiku was hunted down and killed by our security forces in his village in South Kashmir. Armed with sticks and bricks, terror sympathizers vandalized an attacked vehicle used by our men in uniform. Our Jawans have brought Pakistan-backed and Syed Salahuddin-led Hizbul to its knees. The remaining few terror outfits are next in line.
पाकिस्तान इस वक्त कुछ एक ऐसे नाम टेररिस्ट आउटफिट के प्रोलिफेट करने की ताक में है कर रहा है इस नीयत से कि ये लगे कि ये कश्मीर की मिलिटेंसी कश्मीर में ही चल रही है, इसमें पाकिस्तान का कोई हाथ नहीं है। हाल ही में टीआरएफ आपके सामने आ गई, द रेजिस्टेंस फ्रंट, उसके बाद एक नई बला जो है टीएमआई जिसको कहते हैं तरीके मिलत इस्लामिया, वो है एक गजनवी हिंद करके कोई एक नया नाम प्रोकिस गया है। तरीकुल मुजाहिदीन को फिर से कायम करने की कोशिश, मगर इन सब का जो सरगुना है इसको चलाने वाला इनके पीछे जो है वो लश्कर तौबा है और जैश मोहम्मद है और पाकिस्तान की आसाई है और पाकिस्तान की आर्मी है।
We have avenged the brave hearts martyred in the back-to-back Pakistan-sponsored attacks in Handwara. The coward Riaz Naiku, who tortured Kashmiris, attacked security forces and killed migrant workers, has met the fate he deserved. But Western media outfits are trying to create a wave of sympathy. A hero for one portal, a former mathematics teacher for another. They've refused to call him a terrorist while romanticizing his life and drawing a larger-than-life image of an A++ category terrorist. To them, here's a message from India's Chief of Defence Staff.
A more than a life-size image of a terrorist or a leader is somehow which is actually propagating them into developing this kind of a Rambo kind of an image. I think the more we stay away from them and we actually highlight their negativities more, we will not then create this Ramboistic image about these people. They are nobody. They are just people who are spreading terrorism, creating mayhem, not allowing normalcy to return into the state.
Now look at their hypocrisy. On the 2nd of May 2011, Al-Qaeda chief and 9/11 mastermind Osama bin Laden was neutralized in an operation led by the United States. They described Operation Neptune Spear in great length and hailed American leadership and forces. But today, as India is on the path to wiping out terrorism in Kashmir that has claimed hundreds of innocent lives, the same Western media outlets race to lionize terrorists. Riaz Naiku has ordered the ruthless killing of migrant laborers. They didn't report it. He abducted families of police officers and killed a sarpanch. They did not report it. He looted Kashmiris time and again, butchered them and tormented them. They didn't report it. Today, when forces have obliterated his network, they're trying to make a case for him. India will shred their hypocrisy into pieces. Let's debate.
Now, Iftikhar Misgar, how many Kashmiris has this Naiku killed over the last few years? How many, Iftikhar, I'm asking you also, how many migrant laborers would he pick up and kill? He would take the migrant laborers, he would pick them up and he would kill them. So he was a cold-blooded killer. Gaurav will give you more details. Let's focus on his activities. Gaurav, can you tell Iftikhar Misgar the kind of killings that Riaz Naiku used to do and that he specialized in? And then I want his response.
From
1 minute, Iftikhar is debating.
Apart from killing people, Arnab, who are orchard owners, he was famous for kidnapping members of police families, targeting police families. He was famous for killing migrant laborers. He killed a sarpanch. Please do not apologize and become an apologist for Riaz Naiku. I am telling you how many people he has killed. I am just telling you how many people has he killed.
Sir,
you can belong to China for all I care.
Please.
If you're not willing to take Riaz Naiku's name and say that he was a cold-blooded killer and a terrorist, whether you belong to Kashmir or not, that is of zero consequence.
Security forces have given you the... See, DG yesterday has given you the...
Security forces have not been invited on this debate, Mr. Misgar.
Why you are...
Mr. Misgar, you have been invited here. Please tell us, how many people did he kill? Misgar Saab, how many people did Riaz Naiku kill?
With every terror activities.
I am not comparing every Kashmiri. Don't lie and don't play the victim card. Please do not play the victim card. We are talking about.
I also believe that
your victim card is boring. I also believe
sick of your victim card. I also believe viewers, and I am saying this with full responsibility. I'm saying this. The next point I'm making is with full responsibility, and we need to 1 minute, sir. My debate is on terror apologists tonight. I believe that the Reuters news agency must shut down all operations in the Indian subcontinent, especially in India. And I'm saying this to Reuters. 1 minute. I'm saying this to the owners of the Reuters company. Please hear me loud and clear. Reuters, you are operating in India. 1 minute. Listen to me, Iftikhar Misgar. I don't need your background music when I'm speaking. I'm saying this, Sudesh Verma. You are the spokesperson of the BJP. The Reuters news agency operates in India. It provides news services for a fee. It has many companies operating in India. It has large operations out of Bengaluru. It has large commercial interests in India. Now what I'm telling you, let me just tell you what Reuters calls Riaz Naiku. Yesterday a tweet put out by Reuters India. Indian troops kill maths teacher turned rebel commander in Kashmir. Now, you are smiling, Sudesh, but I'm telling you this is no laughing matter. I repeat, viewers, Reuters India, a disgraceful piece of news. They have called Riaz Naiku a maths teacher turned rebel commander. Reuters and all your editors sitting in New York or London, you know me well. Was Hitler an aspiring artist? I would like to ask Reuters. Was Osama bin Laden a business administration graduate? I am asking you, Reuters. And if you have any sense or decency, reply me. And I'm asking you this question. Will you call Hitler, who was responsible for killing 1.32 million Jews in 3 months of the Holocaust, would you have said, Reuters, Germany, would it have reported, an aspiring artist who dreamt of studying art in Vienna has shot himself at the end of the Second World War? You talk about journalistic ethics, Reuters. You lack any journalistic ethics. Your journalistic ethics are based upon the crucible of hypocrisy. Now, I want to ask you, Reuters, by this logic, Reuters India, please answer. Will you call... Wipe that smile off your face. It's not funny, Iftikhar. It's not funny, Iftikhar. It matters to Indians. It matters to Indians. And the question is, will you call Osama bin Laden, when Osama bin Laden was killed, did you say, Reuters, did you say that a business administration graduate who was working in his family business of a construction firm in the Middle East has been killed? Would you say that, Reuters? And I'm asking you, Sudesh, why are you giving them a long rope? Why are you?
Arnab, I smile because institutions like Reuters or even foreign governments still live in their own fool's paradise. They think that they can create a narrative for India which India will accept. Whether the US panel on human rights,
You have
or
created this narrative, sir.
Someone else on the right. Thank you.
Created this
People
narrative.
who are
You are
famous
behind this
anti-India
narrative,
men.
sir. Why Umar Abdullah
It
was
used to be
jailed? Why Farooq
it used to be the normal earlier when they could set the agenda for
Audio
the
is not
country, but not in this government. We have
But if not in this government, then I'm asking you. No, one second. With your government. One second. You got to be tougher. You got to be tougher. You have got to be tougher. I am sorry. You've got to be tougher. Why is the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting of the Narendra Modi government not asking for an explanation from Reuters? My simple question is this. 1 minute. Reuters says.
Everything will be asked. You have seen even in the case of riots in Delhi what happened. The way Washington Post reported. The government is in denial from the day one. They are running away from the fact that they have failed on the ground to serve the militant.
Audio is bad. I'm getting Yana on the debate. Yana and Asai. Yana, 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Let me get Yana on the debate. 1 minute. Let me get Yana on one side. Yana on one side, so the audio lines are bad, and Syed Asad Abbas on the other. Thank you. See, I will keep repeating the point. Yana, the point is Reuters India has said, and it's a news agency, it has said Indian troops kill maths teacher turned rebel commander in Kashmir. I am just asking Reuters, how hypocritical can you be? How hypocritical can you be? Was al-Baghdadi a PhD scholar? Right? Did you ever describe Abu Bakr al-Baghdadi as a scholar with a PhD in Islamic studies? Was al-Zawahiri a doctor? Did you say, 1 minute, by this logic will Reuters say that Al-Qaeda chief Ayman al-Zawahiri is not a terrorist but a doctor specializing in surgery? No, they won't say that. You know why? Because Reuters uses this logic only when it comes to India. When it comes to Osama, will they call him a rebel commander? Did they ever do that?
No, Arnab.
Did they ever do that?
Arnab, you are forgetting. Reuters has also.
You need to tell me
also has an anti-Israel stand. I think you're forgetting that. Reuters has also accepted that they got funding from the UK.
The question is...
The Labour Party, we all know who the Labour Party is trying to impress. We all know who the Labour Party is trying to impress.
Syed Asad Abbas.
भारतीय जनता पार्टी IT सेल ध्रुव सक्सेना टेररिस्ट तारिक अमीर a भारतीय जनता पार्टी candidate to be given a party ticket. This is a party which gives election ticket to a terrorist to go and be. So Bharatiya Janata Party only claims to do well for Kashmir, but it does not do. Where are the
and Gohar Gilani
are invited for interrogation for 1 hour. No, but all that Bharatiya Janata Party wants to do is give a ticket for a terrorist like a Tariq Amin.
And he gets interrogated for 12 or 15 hours, I don't know. And that's fine. But Masrat Zehra and Gohar Gilani, by the way, Gohar Gilani is also a Me Too a star. Okay, he's an offender of women in Kashmir.
You cannot put journalists under arrest in UAPA. It's as simple as that. We have to stand for press freedom everywhere. Ma'am, we have to stand for press freedom everywhere. We have to stand for the freedom of press to report as it wants. We have to stand. I did stand for him. Please check my Twitter. Please check my Twitter handlines. I did stand for him. Even though I disagree with most of his views, I stood for him. Just like I stood for Masrat Zehra.
Keep coming out.
Ma'am, you cannot define, you cannot gag speech for others. Please stop being a fascist. Stop being a fascist.
My point is, 1 minute, Ifra, let me get General KK Sinha on the other side. General KK Sinha, the moot issue is, what is the moot issue? Ifra, 1 minute. What is the moot issue? I'd like Mir Junaid to come into the debate along with General KK Sinha. Now, General KK Sinha, my problem is that the terrorist is never a terrorist for this lobby. Wasn't it a certain media portal, General Sinha, which after the killing of Hizbul Mujahideen terrorist Mohammad Rafi Bhatt had an article headline which said, soft-spoken, kind-hearted, humble, friends remember the professor who joined the Hizbul. So, you know, the way they described him almost made him look like a saint. Why do people do things like that? And wasn't it a news portal which in May 2017 tweeted, on Osama's 6th death anniversary, we take a look at his roles as a father and as a loving husband. This was actually a headline put, right, in a publication that has a squint.
Yes, sir.
Now, my question is, they portrayed Manan Wani. They said, once an icon in his village for pursuing a PhD, research scholar dies after embracing militancy. This was also published. Why do they give these spins? When you ask them this question, General Sinha, they say, journalistic liberty, license, right? Our approach, General Sinha, let's debate that. Because these terror apologists are the first ones who will have to be taken on now to really win the war against terrorism.
Yes. Now, my humble submission to that, people should listen to me. See, I am reminded of 2016 when Manan Wani was killed. That time, also you have seen how the Western media has come. You quoted the name of Manan Wani, but you have not quoted Balakot. When the Balakot happened, what happened to the Western media? They were all trying to prove it, and nothing happened in Balakot. What happened when the, Qasim Soleimani was killed? How this Western media was trying to do it? They were all portraying him just because they have got jihadi money, just because they have got funding for ISI. These people, this dual face, the hypocrisy of these Western media, especially when they are operating in India and we don't do anything. The writer is not doing it the first time. It happens every time. When Zakir Musa was killed, you know what they said? Zakir Musa, who was actually Al-Qaeda in Indian subcontinent face, Ghazavat al-Hind, they said, that time go and see what article came out about Zakir Musa, a poster boy. They said he's an innocent guy killed by Indian armed forces.
Yeah. They called him,
And
I'll tell you what they called him at that time. General Sinha, on Zakir Musa, you know what they called him? A trendy teenager first. And then they said he used to be a fashionable young boy, an award-winning great carom player. He would be seen riding his yellow Yamaha R15 sports bike, puffing cigarettes with friends and listening to his favorite rap music. Mir, have people gone mad? And after Burhan Wani died, Gaurav, you will remember, we did a program, Son of a Schoolmaster. You know, the favorite, India has a journalist who's a particular favorite of, what was it? I think both Syed Salahuddin as well as the Lashkar-e-Toiba chief, Hafiz Saeed. In fact, Hafiz Saeed once said that she is a fantastic journalist, the best journalist in India. She said, Hizbul Mujahideen, son of a schoolmaster who only used social media as a weapon of war. You know, these are the terror apologists in our country. Mir, now I am of a view that to win the battle against terrorism, we'll have to obliterate the lobbies that support the terrorists. Obliterate, of course, legally, by taking them on legally, by using strong sections against them, by pushing them to the wall and making them answerable to the people of India. Mir, why should we not do that? Why should we be indulgent anymore? The mood in the country has changed. I'm sure you are sensing it.
I must congratulate our security forces first, who gave Kashmiris a sigh of relief from this dreaded terrorist.
Iftikhar, let him speak. Iftikhar, let him speak.
He was an educated illiterate.
Why Indians will not start campaigning
He
against
was
you?
an educated illiterate. He was a covered He was a coward who
Why you want to polarize
he was a
India?
coward and
Why
national
government will not ask
national
you?
media.
Every
These
media house has
the
become a hypocrite,
writers,
let me tell
these
you, sir.
papers.
You are also one among them.
They are
You are
telling
also
that
one
he
among
was
them.
a
When
mad
it comes
teacher.
to you, why?
He killed his father. Could you figure out her face? ये बच्ची पढ़ती थी स्कूल में, मैथ टीचर जिसको बताया जाता है, इसी मैथ टीचर ने इसके बाप को मौत के घाट उतारा। ऐसे बहुत सारी एग्जांपल्स है, देख रहे हो? Could you see this?
Can you zoom in a bit, please? 1 second.
Shame on writers.
Pick up your phone again and I'll show the picture. The people of this country need to see that picture. You've completely silenced Iftikhar with that. Yeah, see that, Iftikhar.
No.
I also want to know. I want to know whether the person who took that picture will get a Pulitzer. I want to know whether the person who took that picture will get a Pulitzer.
Lynchings have
Just watch
happened in
this
so many
picture.
places in India because of your provocation. You provoke
मैथ
Indians
टीचर इस
against
बच्ची को
Jamatis,
पढ़ाई दे
indirectly
सकता था।
against the
मैथ
overall
टीचर
against overall
मैथ
Muslim
टीचर इस
and
बच्ची
that
को
is why
पढ़ाई
the
दे
lynchings
सकता
happened.
था।
Who
मैथ
was that?
टीचर इस बच्ची का फ्यूचर संवार सकता था, न कि मैथ टीचर बंदूक उठाते एक कवर्ड की तरह इसके बाप को मारता। ये मैथ टीचर था, यही मैथ टीचर था जिसने शुपियन में ट्रक ड्राइवर्स को मारा। यही टेररिस्ट था जिसने कश्मीर में लोगों को बंदूक उठवाया। यही टेररिस्ट था जो इस्लाम की दलाली करते हैं। यही टेररिस्ट था जो इस्लाम की दलाली करते हैं। और जिस चीज को ये जहाद कहते हैं, वो जहाद नहीं है, वो खुदकुशी है। दैट इज अ सुसाइड।
From 2002 to 2007, under Atal Bihari Vajpayee, we have seen a period of peace. We have seen that we were able to somehow make a deal with them, and we were able
make a deal with terrorists. I'm sorry, Mir Junaid, Ifra Jan is saying make a deal with terrorists. We don't deal with terrorists, ma'am. What are you saying?
Make them surrender.
See. Deal with terrorists. Make a deal with them. Wow.
Ifra has gone. I think Ifra has literally gone mad.
Listen to me.
She's supporting terrorists. Is she trying to glorify terrorists on the national media? That too on the Republic. How is it possible? Please, Ifra, these tricks, these gimmicks is not going to work. No, please. Whosoever glorifies, whosoever proliferates terrorism, he must be punished. He must be penalized. There has to be strict punishment.
Now Kashani is also taking on Mir. Kashani.
Terrorism and the people who promote terrorism
has been increased. Mr. Modi has undone all the good work done by Mr. Vajpayee. Mr. Vajpayee talked about Jamhuriyat, Kashmiriyat and Insaniyat, but Mr. Modi, he wants to show his
How can we show Insaniyat towards Burhan Wani and Zakir Musa? There is no, I'm sorry. How can we show any Insaniyat towards?
जमहूरियत, इंसानियत, कश्मीरियत का कत्ल करने पाकिस्तान इनको उधर से इधर भेज रहा है। वही जमहूरियत का कत्ल करने। ये उसी जमहूरियत का जनाजा निकालना है। उसी जमहूरियत का गवर्नमेंट से हो रहा है।
What has Mr. Modi achieved in Kashmir from the 5th of August? Tell me what has Mr. Modi achieved? What has he done for Kashmiris? He has not been able to give one single job.
कहाँ मिला? 5 अगस्त के बाद मेरे भाई ये मुझे बताइए मिसगर साहब, 5 अगस्त के बाद पहले मुझे बताओ मौका कब मिला काम करने को?
मीर जुनैद,
we need to introspect ourselves. We should not blame others. पहले हमें खुद को इंट्रोस्पेक्ट करना चाहिए कि भैया गलती कहाँ है। गलती हम लोगों के बीच में है। गलती हम लोगों के बीच में है जो इन टेररिस्ट को ग्लोरीफाई करते हैं, जो इनका कंटेंट सोशल मीडिया पे इनको सोशल वेरियर्स बनाते हैं। गलती हमारी है। अगर वो चीजें हम नहीं करते शायद आज इंटरनेट के लिए हम लोगों को भीख नहीं मांगना पड़ता। आज हम लोगों को भीख नहीं मांगना पड़ता। ये अपनी गलतियों की वजह से आज हम भीख मांग रहे हैं, आज हम भिखारियों की तरह इंटरनेट के लिए हमें तरसना पड़ रहा है। ये इनकी गलती है, क्योंकि यही लोग सोशल मीडिया के जरिए जनाजों का भी कारोबार चलता है और उस जनाजों के कारोबार से किसी और को बंदूक उठवा रहे हैं और आप उसी चीज को सपोर्ट कर रहे हो। I am not supporting this. No, there should be no mercy for terrorism.
You are so concerned. 1 minute, Sudesh Verma is coming in. You are so concerned about the human rights of terrorists. Okay, Sudesh.
There is a difference between Vajpayee and Modi. Vajpayee had a limited mandate. Modi was given mandate to remove 370, which he has done. It was our mandate, you must know. You do not understand democracy. You do not understand insaniyat. And if you want the guns to blare, if you pick up guns, you will be liquidated. And anyone who is supporting terrorists is against the nation, is against the country. You must know that they are fighting the war for Pakistan. It's no war, it's not Pakistan. And they need to be liquidated one by one. This is going to happen.
And we have
this is going to happen, whether you like it or not.
Mir Junaid again, Mir Junaid. Absolutely. Absolutely. People are
और उन families को भी
Mir, listen to me. Mir, listen to me. Mir, listen to me. Mir, I think today, viewers, if you are watching this debate, you are seeing a new voice come in from Kashmir, and that is the voice of Mir Junaid. Now, Mir Junaid is refreshing for 3 reasons, Gaurav. He is very young, he is into active politics, and unlike Ifra, he actually lives in Kashmir. Unlike Kashani and Ifra, he lives and works in Kashmir. He's got guts to follow a new path.
I'm very happy not telling my people, Arnab. I'm very happy not telling my people.
How Muslim you are.
I am very happy
Mir Junaid in the middle, Gaurav in the left.
कश्मीर में रह के मिलिटेंट्स ने कश्मीरियों को बर्बाद कर दिया। कश्मीरी ने कश्मीरी को बर्बाद नहीं किया, सवाल ही नहीं है। कश्मीरी का भला चाहता है। जो भला कश्मीरी का नहीं चाहता है, वही आदमी इस कलम के बजाय बंदूक हाथ में उठाता है, वो कश्मीरी का दुश्मन है। और हमें मालूम है दुश्मन कौन है।
I want to say something,
मारने के लिए बंदूक पाकिस्तान से
Arnab, एक मिनट, I want to say something here.
जो कश्मीरियों को
go on, Gaurav.
Arnab, पाकिस्तान बंदूक बेच रहा है। क्या उन
Arnab, I want to say something. Please listen to me, both of you. एक मिनट, दोनों एक मिनट चुप रहे, मैं एक बात कहना चाहता हूँ। ये बड़ा ना यहाँ पे अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी की बात करते हैं। वाजपेयी साहब को धोखा दिया। ये जितने भी लोग थे, पाकिस्तान से अश्योरेंस मिला, मीनार पाकिस्तान गए नवाज शरीफ से मिलने के लिए। वहां पे उनको ये नहीं पता था, किसी को नहीं पता था कि पाकिस्तान जो हमारे गले मिल रहा है, पीठ पीछे कारगिल में चढ़ाई हो रही है। 527 हमारे अफसर और जवान शहीद हो गए कारगिल में। अटल बिहारी वाजपेयी जी को धोखा दिया, भारत को धोखा दिया। ये लोग यही चाहते हैं कि नरेंद्र मोदी को भी धोखा दें, इसलिए बार बार अटल जी का नाम ले रहे हैं। अटल जी ने भरोसा करा, अटल जी को धोखा दिया। मोदी जी ने भी विश्वास करा था, इनको उड़ी दिया। अटल जी को कारगिल दिया था, मोदी जी को उड़ी दिया इन लोगों ने। और सुनिए, जब वो मीर बात कर रहा था ना, वो तो ही इज अ यंग मैन, वो तो अभी नया लड़का है। तो यहाँ पे ये भाई साहब को, बुजुर्ग को बड़ी परेशानी हो रही थी कि क्या बोल रहा है ये लड़का, क्या बोल रहा है। आरफा ने क्या बोल दिया कि आई डोंट सेल माई पीपल। और वाह, शाबाश, यू डोंट सेल योर पीपल। ये जो मीर जुनैद है, मीर जुनैद तो टेररिज्म को कंडेम कर रहा है। मीर जुनैद तो ये बोल रहा है कि कश्मीरी शुड हैव अ ब्राइटर फ्यूचर।
और अटल बिहारी
ये कह रहा है कि ब्राइट फ्यूचर होना चाहिए। और ये बेच रहा है कश्मीरियों को, है जो कह रहा है कि कश्मीरियों का अच्छा मुस्तकबिल होना चाहिए, वो कश्मीरियों को बेच रहा है। और जो मरवा रहा है वो बहुत बड़ी आदमी है। शाबाश।
ये कहीं वो डीएसपी गैंग का बंदा होगा, कल को इसका भी नाम आ जाएगा वो डीएसपी गैंग से। अरे इनका तो लास्ट
और ये कुछ अलग ही स्टैंड लेके आती है। जो हमारा मुद्दा होता है बात करने का,
इस जगह मत जाना,
बात नहीं करती है। ये भी इन्हीं कायरों की तरह कभी ऐसी बात कभी वैसी बात, और कौम को गुमराह कर रही है। क्या हो गया इप्रा तुम्हें?
अरे
आज तुम क्लियरली कहो फिर कि हाँ तुम टेररिस्ट को सपोर्ट कर रहे हो।
इफ्रा को बोल रहा है। इफ्रा
पता है सब कुछ। आप
दिल्ली में बैठे हो, दिल्ली
भाई, आई डोंट नीड योर सर्टिफिकेट, आई डोंट नीड योर सर्टिफिकेट, आई डोंट नीड योर सर्टिफिकेट। भाई, आई एम एन इंडियन फ्रॉम हार्ट, I am an Indian from heart. मैं दिल से हिंदुस्तानी हूँ, and I have full faith on Indian Constitution. I am an Indian by conviction. I am an Indian by faith. I am not Indian just for the show off, like you do.
जस्ट सपोर्टिंग द इंडिया करने से यहाँ के लोगों को रोजगार नहीं मिलेगा। 370 हटाने के बाद क्या
आप जैसे लोगों ने उधर काम करने ही कब दिया?
लद्दाख के चीफ मिनिस्टर,
आप जैसे लोगों ने काम करने कहाँ दिया?
लद्दाख में क्या हुआ?
जब तुम सोसाइटी को डिवाइड करने पे तुले हो, अगर आप हमें काम करने देते तो हम काम करते।
Ifra, listen. Mir Junaid, through his work, has been reaching citizens in deepest parts of Kashmir, providing them groceries and essential items. Tell me, the dynast Omar Abdullah ne kya kiya abhi tak? What has Omar Abdullah ever done? He's double of Mir Junaid's age. What has...
If you ever come to Kashmir, at least सड़कें तो होती थी, हाईवे पे तो हम चल पाते थे।
You know the amount of corruption done by the Abdullah family?
हाईवे तो था, नौकरियां तो थी,
Politics is over. Abdullahs are finished.
BCCI scam.
You are feeling bad because the Abdullahs and Muftis are finished. They are finished. Politically over.
Everyone is finished.
I can count their scams on fingertips. फिंगरटिप्स पे मैं स्कैम काउंट कर सकता हूँ।
भाई आप लोगों ने छोड़ा क्या? 370 हटाएंगे, आसमान टूट जाएगा, नया कश्मीर आएगा। 370 भी हट गया, रोजगार भी गया, नौकरियां भी गई, पीएसए भी गया, सब गया, और आप हमको बोल रहे हो काम करने नहीं दिया। दिस इज द रीजन लद्दाख का जो बीजेपी हेड है,
क्यों आपको नहीं दिख रहा है नए कश्मीर में मैं टेररिज्म को बिल्कुल नकार रहा हूँ? मैं ये कह रहा हूँ कि टेररिस्ट शुड बी कंप्लीटली एलिमिनेटेड। देयर इज नो स्पेस फॉर टेररिज्म, देयर इज नो मर्सी फॉर टेररिज्म। They are bedrocks, they are hurdles for peace, prosperity, for development of the region.
Process we have. Long-term peace process क्या है? 30 साल से हम सुनते आ रहे हैं कि terrorism has to be eliminated. Of course it has to be eliminated.
ये पाकिस्तान कौन सा peace process चला रहा है कश्मीर में बंदूक लेके? पीस प्रोसेस बंदूक लेके चलेगा? ये जो इधर आ रहे हैं इन्फिल्ट्रेशन करके उनको दर्जनों में इधर भेज रहे हैं, वो क्या इधर आलू भेजने आते हैं, टमाटर मटर भेजने आते हैं, वो क्या करने आए इधर?
370 हटाने से फिर क्या मिला आपको? आप तो बड़ा बहुत जोर से सपोर्ट कर रहे थे।
हम चाहते हैं।
Yes, go on. I can clearly say that Mir Junaid has carried the debate. Kashani, you see the difference between Mir Junaid and you. Kashani, let me explain the difference between Mir Junaid and you. Let me explain. You don't have to be frustrated. You are sitting in Hyderabad. You have a good life. He's working in Kashmir. People like you are only part of the lobby. You only abuse India.
Eliminating terrorism is fine.
Mir Junaid is the face of the new Indian politician in Kashmir.
So this giving this theory.
Watch him carefully. He's the face of the new Indian politics in Kashmir.
370 खत्म होगा तो overnight.
People who don't think twice before taking on terrorists. That's Mir Junaid.
थोड़ा सा दिमाग से काम लो। आपको लगता था अगर आर्टिकल 370 हट गया तो ओवरनाइट टेररिज्म खत्म होगा? भाई इसको टाइम लगता है, कार्रवाई चल रही है। You should give compliments. You should boost the morale of security forces instead of discouraging them. You are discouraging the morale of security forces. You are discouraging the morale of our
आप इसमें किसी और को बदनाम नहीं कर सकते।
You are venomizing. You are intoxicating the minds of people through your these silly words. अरे you please get your facts straight. थोड़ा पढ़ाई करके आओ। ये रियाज नाइकू कौन है? ये 370 के बाद क्या रोड मैप होना चाहिए? तब जाके भैया तुम धरने दे दो, तब जाके तुम बहस करो। I feel pity यार, क्या बोल रहे हो तुम? What are you talking about? तुम उस रियाज नाइकू को सपोर्ट कर रहे हो जिसने नॉन लोकल्स को मारा, जिसने उस
Pakistan will continue to do it. Pakistan will continue to do it. That does not mean we don't secure our borders. Whose responsibility is it to secure our borders?
कर रहे हो जो जिसने कहा कि अगर कश्मीर में पंचायत इलेक्शन होंगे और जो फॉर्म भरेगा मैं उसको आंखों में एल्फी डालूंगा, मैं उसको से उसका सीना तुम लोगों को सपोर्ट कर रहे हो भाई। पहले सुनो मेरी बात भाई, डेवलपमेंट
दिल्ली में एसी रूम में बैठ के झूठ बोलते हो।
डेवलपमेंट तब होगी जब टेररिज्म खत्म होगा। डेवलपमेंट तब होगी जब टेरर फैक्ट्री यहाँ बंदूकें बेचने बंद करेगा। पहले
Stop being
उनको
a
समझाओ
hypocrite
यहाँ बंदूकें
and
बेचना
start
बंद
doing
करो,
some real work for the people of
बेचना
Kashmir.
बंद करो, यहाँ
Stop
आम
being a
निहत्तों को
hypocrite.
मरवाना बंद करो,
You
तब
need
जाके
to-
पीस और डेवलपमेंट होगा।
Arnab,
तुम्हारी
can you
तरह
please give me
यहाँ
30 seconds?
बातें करने से डेवलपमेंट और पीस
मुझे
नहीं
आप
आने
ये
वाला।
बताएं,
सोल्यूशन बोलो, सोल्यूशन।
Keeping
यहाँ
two
पे
flags in
बहसबाजी मत
front
करो,
of you,
सोल्यूशन बोलो।
will it
Tell
give you
me
the license
solution.
that you are a
At least
nationalist?
we have a roadmap.
Will this gentleman tell me who was responsible for militancy-related activities from his party, whom they gave the mandate also? He was the person. Will he explain me who was the DSP, who was involved in, who backed that DSP? These are the people. They are hypocrites, Arnab. They are Indians only because of their political belief on their political, जो उनका lust है, it is because of their political lust they are Indians. They are proving themselves as nationalists because they have a political lust. That is it.
How many parties have you changed?
India. They are misleading Indian political system.
Iftikhar, how many parties have you changed in the last 10 years?
I have changed it. I have changed hundreds of parties.
You are questioning him. You are questioning this young man. Mir Junaid.
और इधर आप नेशनल टीवी पे सर्टिफिकेट और मुझे नेशनलिज्म की सर्टिफिकेट दोगे भैया? जितना सुनो मेरी बात, जितने तुम्हारे सिर पे बाल झड़े हैं, जितने झड़े हैं, उतना मैंने नेशनलिज्म की किताबें पढ़ी हैं, उतना मैंने नेशनलिज्म की किताबें पढ़ी है, उतना हमने कौम के लिए काम किया है, सुना, उतना हमने काम किया है, तुम्हारी तरह इधर बैठ के बहसबाजी नहीं करी है।
I know you. I know you. I know you.
Get your facts correct.
For your political lust, you tried to prove Ibn Sina pro-Pakistani. I know you, Junaid. I know you. I know you. I am a Kashmiri. I am in politics. Okay, I have changed parties. Like Arnab has changed channels.
Who is Ibn Sina? अरे तुम किनकी बात कर रहे हो?
Arnab has changed channels.
I am not in touch with militants. You must be touch in militants. Who is Ibn Sina?
I live in a democratic country. I don't believe in your bad politics. I don't believe in your lusty politics, boss.
Go ahead. Cut and precise, brief. I'm not here to listen to your all this nonsense. You talk to me point to point. Be very straight. यार बातें तोड़ मरोड़ के नहीं बोलो, point बोलो. Tell me the point. Tell me the point. बातें तोड़ मोड़ के मत बोलो. Tell me the point. तुम कहना क्या चाहते हो वो point बोलो. बाकी I'm not here to listen to your all nonsense.
अरे
वो तुमने किया.
तुम बोल रहे हो.
वो तुमने किया.
जानते हैं ना. हम जानते हैं कि तुम्हारा कलीग नहीं फंसा मिलिटेंसी रिलेटेड में, जिसको पुलवामा से तुम लोगों ने मैंडेट दिया था, क्या वो मिलिटेंसी रिलेटेड एक्टिविटीज में नहीं फंसा? अरे झंडे दो आगे रखने से क्या तुम
कुछ नहीं कर पाए और तुम मुझे ब्लेम कर रहे हो? You are of my father's age. आपने कुछ नहीं करा और आप हमें ब्लेम कर रहे हो. Shame on you. I am 29 years old. You must be 50 plus. और आज तक आपने क्या किया? आज तक आपने क्या किया? What you did? At least I had mustered the courage on the age of 29. I'm on national television and speaking like this. I'm not a hypocrite like this.
Speaking like this.
I'm not a hypocrite.
Speaking like what? Speaking like
yes.
what? अरे भैया देखो तुम्हारी कहीं जमीन ही नहीं है. I'm not here
at least we have a roadmap.
I just want to open. I just want to open.
Iftikhar Misgar, I'll tell you one thing. One second. Viewers, 1 minute. Now I will speak something. I have something to say. Will you allow me? Mir, 1 minute. Mir, listen, Mir. First of all, let me tell you frankly, I'm telling you, I don't pay compliments. I don't pay compliments easily, everyone knows. But I think Mir has spoken his heart in the debate, point number 1. Second, he's spoken with conviction.
Okay.
The third point is I can tell you, I make a prediction.
Where are you
People
right
like Mir Junaid have replaced dynasts like Omar Abdullah. People like Mir Junaid have replaced people like Mehbooba Mufti and her family. He's 29. You watch out. Not just Mir Junaid. There are a whole lot of other young Kashmiri politicians who are completely just pushing aside. Gaurav, pushing aside the dynast. They have no space. They have money, no popularity. They have family names, but no conviction. They have treasuries and bungalows, but nobody likes them anymore. The people of Kashmir, Gaurav, have rejected the dynast. People like Mir Junaid will replace him. I thank you very much, viewers, for that debate. Without doubt, Mir Junaid carried.